Alright, itong first client for today dito sa Victoria Place, Caniogan, Pasig City. Itong bestseller Lenovo Dashcam installed here in the MonteroSport. So makita nyo rear camera inside. Okay, tingnan natin yung monitor. So never na ginagamit na namin tong cigarette lighter na to o yung mga power outlet. So internal connection lahat. Very smooth and professional service installation by All About Height. Look at the wiring and kung gaano kalinis ang pagkaka-install namin. The best installation you will have. Actually, kami na yung pinaka the best installer ng dashcam in the Philippines. That's the Lenovo Dashcam. Both camera front and rear in full HD. This is original Lenovo dual cam dashcam with the front full HD camera resolution and rear camera in full HD resolution too.